I'm Dr. Marie Fang. Welcome to my video series featuring quick tips and tools to help you be your best self today. Today we're going to talk about how to bridge the partisan gap because it's been real for a long time, but it's only getting worse and worse, it seems, that people on both sides of the political aisle and people in the middle, who knows, start to see each other as further and further away. Like, I'm over here in my little partisan corner and I am worlds away from this person in that other partisan corner. It's me. If you're in my corner, you and me, we're good. If you're in that corner, you're bad. That's what we do. There's all kinds of research that shows we do this not just with politics, not just with government. We do this with everything: race, religion, gender, war. It could be that person over there, they're drinking Folgers coffee, but I got my special 4-barrel or Phil's coffee or whatever you like to drink. And so that person's a bad person because how could they like Folgers? Ugh. We do this all the time. It's what we do as people. And the research shows the best way to kind of undo this or combat this is that we need to remind ourselves of how we are united. What are the things that make me similar to that person? So yeah, maybe they're drinking Folgers and maybe I don't get that, but they're also my coworker, so we're united. Or they also are in the same building as me, we're united. Maybe they live on my street, we're united. Maybe you have to go big, like we live on the same planet and we're both humans, so we're united in that sense. At some point, we all come from the same flesh and blood. The same material makes up all of us. We're all humans doing the best we can to try to figure out our way in the world. And there's more than a million. There's all kinds of ways to interpret that and experience that. And it looks different for everyone. So we're not going to see things the same way. Pretty much guaranteed that will never happen. But we will still all always be human beings doing the best we can. So reminding ourselves of how we're united, how we're similar can be really helpful. I mean, I use that silly example about coffee, but sometimes people really do care about their coffee like that. But in that example, we might say, well, yeah, that person makes weird choices that I don't understand about their coffee, but I really liked what that person had to say in that meeting that we had. I did see eye to eye with them on this, or they were really kind to me in this other way, or whatever it might be. Maybe they're a really mean person and you can at the very least say, well, you know what, they're a human being and I wish well on all humans. Whatever it is, we have to find how we're united, and that's how we overcome that gap that only gets worse and worse when we say, oh, there's nothing about me that's like that person. That person is the opposite of me. Dangerous things happen when we do that, and this is repeated over and over again in history. So we want to avoid that. Well, I hope you found this quick tip helpful for you today. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more like this one. And until next time, I'm Dr. Marie Fang, and I hope you have a great day.